What is up, y'all? This is Liz from Cherry Pop Shop, and today we do have a package from Spa Order. That was creepy. Sorry. Tearing these off so y'all don't stalk me later. And of course, I get everything but the address. This is my monthly restock of hard wax by Dermwax, and I also did get a couple of other things as well. No wipes. Okay, so these are the 4x4 size. I fucked up and got this 2x2s one time. They're very, very small, so do not make the same mistake I did. Get the 4x4s. And as always, Dermwax Soft Wax, my go-to staple. Sensitive skin, this is going to be for my full leg Brazilians. I got one more of them. Always get 2 cans. Liquid gold. However, I did have to pick up their limited edition wax. So this is the Dermwax's limited edition blend called Riptide. It's perfect for summertime. So with this blend in particular, it does come with Naked Sparkle Blue, Naked Shimmer Clear, the Original Blue, and California Ocean Blue. So a nice beautiful blend of all their blue waxes and a mix of their shimmer. So it's gonna have a lot of glitter in it. I'm going to test out this wax today and show you guys what it looks like when it's being applied. It looks so beautiful, just like the ocean. Let's give it a little swirl. Ooh. Beautiful. I love it. Love it, love it, love it. All right, so this is what it looks like on the stick. And as usual, we want to use nice firm presses. Create that lip. Even out those borders a little bit more. Wow, this is really pretty. Dried pretty quick, so let's go ahead and take it off. Holy crap. I can see every single little hair, and my hair is very blonde. I'm pretty impressed with Dermwax, especially their Naked Elite. That was pretty smooth. I still do have a few hairs, so of course we're gonna go in with the cleanup strip, but not too shabby after the first pull. All right, go ahead and drop off the wax. We're gonna go in the opposite direction this time. For cleanup strips, I do a little bit of a slower pull just to make sure that we're really grabbing onto those hairs that got left behind. Perfect. Just by grazing it with my wrist, I can feel that it's very smooth and clean. So 10 out of 10 with this wax. I've never had a problem with Dermwax. I love it so much. Even their Naked line is amazing. It applies so well. I love the elasticity. I only need maybe a couple cleanup strips after that. It's very smooth, applies like butter. I like how you can see the hair once you remove the strip. My name is Liz. I am the owner of Cherry Pop Shop. I am a full body waxer. I also do lash lifts, brow lamination, facials, and now offering facials. You can book me at cherrypopshop.com. Can't wait to see you guys. Bye.